for our better tomorrow and the dream of our happy future. Wishing a very enjoyable day. Wishing a very enjoyable day. Wishing a very enjoyable day.
No, come on, you will not take anything home.
You have to love your children unselfishly. Happy Children's Day. Children are flower from heaven. Let's make this world a safe and enjoyable place for our kids. You don't have to be famous. You have to make your mom and dad be proud of you. Thank you. The most precious thing in this world is the smiling face of the world.
I feel like chasing people out.
Children are great imitators, so give them something great to imitate.
Children are the heart that which will run unto heaven. Happy Children's Day.
When I was little, I always want to grow up. When I grew up, I always want to be a kid again. Enjoy your childhood. Happy Children's Day. If we nurture the dreams of children, the world will be blessed. If we destroy them, the world will be blessed.
A child always teaches an elder to be busy with something. Then children make our house feel like home.
We are the birds in the garden. We are the stars in the sky.